Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Microsoft Video Editor error solved. First method is type Video Editor in Windows search bar, right-click Video Editor, click App Settings. Click Repair. Click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Type exit. Type Store, click Microsoft Store. Type Photos, click Microsoft Photos. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.